Welcome back to Explore Error. In this video, we will talk about how to fix laptop speakers crackling sound on Windows 11. Method 1 is basic sound and hardware checks. Make sure the sound is not muted or set too low. If the crackling also happens on headphones, then it is likely a software or driver issue. If headphones work fine but speakers are crackling, then it could be a hardware problem with the speakers. Method 2 is to run Windows Sound Troubleshooter. Right-click on the sound icon and select Troubleshoot Sound Problems, then follow the on-screen instructions. Method 3 is to disable audio enhancements. Click on Search, type Control, and select Open. Change View By to large icons and select Sound. In the Playback tab, right-click your speakers and select Properties. Then go to the Enhancements tab and make sure Disable All Enhancements is unchecked. Method 4 is to update or uninstall the audio driver. Right-click on the Windows icon and select Device Manager. Then expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio device and choose Update Driver. Then select Search Automatically for drivers. If this does not work, you can uninstall the driver. Right-click your audio device and choose Uninstall Device. Then select Uninstall. After that, click on the Windows icon and restart your PC. So that's how you can fix laptop speakers crackling sound on Windows 11. See you in the next video.